finish opening everything else.
Then you can build them.
Is he still posing?
Yeah.
Jace, smile.
Okay.
Because I don't want to.
You got more up here.
More, bud.
You got more up here, buddy.
Who's that from?
Huh?
Who's that from?
Me?
No, it's from me and Chad.
Hey!
Cheese.
Garfield?
No, scared of him. No.
Hey.
Need help, bud? You got it?
Yep. Just tear into it. There you go.
Open it up.
What's this one?
It says, keep an eye out for fun. And then that's a gift card for McDonald's.
Another one?
Yeah.
I did that.
Just take the shirt off. Where's your wallet at?
In his pants pocket up in the laundry.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
okay.
you better.
Mommy can put it in for
say
you.
you better hand that to Mom.
Yeah. Transformer? Hold it up so Chad take picture.
Who is it? Which one?
Which one?
Bumblebee!
Bumblebee.
Yeah.
And I can transform it too.
Yeah.
And another one?
Yeah, right
Yeah,
there.
there's another one.
What? Where is it?
Right here, I think. Right here.
I don't know which one.
I don't know, dude. There's two of them.
There's yeah.
What's this one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Go over to Grandma.
Go to Grandma first.
This one here?
No, that one's
Right here?
Mhm.
Yeah,
Go to
take that
Grandma.
one over to her.
grandma first. Okay, here's the deal. This is just the start. Mama got some more stuff for you. Get you some more stuff next week, okay? When the birthday Thursday. But this is $5 for each year with a little bonus, and you get $6 for your wallet, okay? I know. You get that to money. And then this is one of your favorite things, and then next week we'll go somewhere and get something different. Okay, okay.
Say thank you.
Good job.
Give her a kiss. You give Grandma a
No,
kiss?
this is yours.
Jason, give Grandma a kiss?
Yeah.
Oh, no!
I knew he was gonna do that.
Look how he's hugging it, Mom.
Yeah, he does that. He asks popcorn for breakfast in the morning. Yeah.
Is this something to
Yeah.
here?
Jace, you got one more,
One
but
more,
before you
bud.
take out the packages.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, they're gonna make you work for that one.
Actually, I think that's what Dad did. That's mine. Sorry, Jason, you can open that.
Oh, that's Keith's.
I just
Bubba,
realized Daddy.
Jace, that's Keith's.
He's all trying to see.
Here, Jace, that's Keith's. Get out of the Keith. Yours is the backpack.
Keats.
Here, yours is the backpack.
We got a double win. You and him.
Here, give this one to Keith.
What's this one?
That one's
Open it.
Open it.
You got the backpack too?
Mm-hmm.
Hey! What's this? How do you get on here? Get out, Mom! Huh?
Just open it later because we gotta go.
Open.
Now?
Did you just recently fall? Did you fall off today?
These
You thought that scrap on the station? Just what's in them shoes?
Huh? I like that one.
Nice.
Ooh, I like the shoes. You don't.
He's looking for a toy, probably. been checking the pockets.
That's it. You check all the pockets. You know they're hiding stuff all over in that one.
You gotta get scissors, Jace.
Yeah. Hey, Jace, hold that up and look this way for a second.
What? I can open it.
Who gave that to you?
Yeah.
All right.
It's at like 6:30, so yeah, please.
Yeah, you guys watching?
Get both of them?
What movie you guys watching?
Okay, Jason, get some cake and ice cream before we gotta go.
I'll open that for you.